and just stop garage. So, first off, I'd like to apologize for having a video for a while. Just been kind of busy. I've finally graduated from school. I've got my diploma, and I'm now working a full-time job. I mean, I've had a lot more time to work in the evening because I was working another place and I switched places. And I got a lot more time now to do things. I just been kind of taking a little bit of a break from YouTube, and I do apologize. I haven't had a video in like a month and a half, 2 months. And I noticed I have a lot of new subscribers, so thank you for subscribing. Sorry for the noise in the background. Drag strip goes off on Fridays and Saturdays. But yeah. Alright, so I got this here free Murray riding mower. It's got a hydrostatic transmission in it. The engine in it I pulled out wasn't even the right engine. I put an ad in on Craigslist, and a guy offered it to me for free, said you can have it. He even brought it up here. So the thing's pretty much junk. I was going to do some stuff with it, but changed my mind. So my plan with this is, as the title says, how indestructible is a lawnmower? So, well, riding mower, whatever. So I guess let's put it through some tests. Now I wish it was drivable because I'd run into some trees, but that ain't gonna happen. So I got a sledgehammer there behind the camera we're going to use. I'm just going to start throwing things at it, busting up things. We're maybe going to start smacking, I don't know. I'm just going to try some different things. We're going to see how indestructible it is. I'm mainly doing this video to be stupid, give me something to do, kind of funny on my first YouTube video back since everything's been changed. I don't know if I told y'all, I got my license now too. I've had that for a while. But yeah, so a lot of things have changed since the last time I had a video. And yeah, let's beat this thing up. And when I get done, I'm going to take the transmission out of it, keep the wheels off of it, tires shop, and I want the wheels. Gas tank, I'm going to try and not hurt that because I want to save that, and maybe some other various parts, and I'm going to scrap everything else except for the frame because I can use the frame for welding. Let's get into the video. I do want to apologize again for not having a video for so long. Just haven't been able to. Well, actually, I guess I did have a little bit. It's just been trying to get some other stuff going here lately. But yeah, today we're just going to concentrate on, well, beating this thing up, so to speak. And I wore the perfect shirt for the day. Let me know what you think. Comment down below how you like my shirt. But yeah, and actually here, just so y'all can read it. I made that myself. But anyway, so first off, let's just try smacking it and see what happens. I wonder how good that is. Well, it didn't bust. It's got some hard plastic. That felt like it bent a little bit. My headlight's bending in. Well, let's see what happens. Nothing. Well, it is bending it a little bit, but that headlight won't bust. It's actually surprising. Ah, the real test. How's the handle being slammed? And well, that didn't last long. Alright, we've already broken one spring off of it. Alright, let's see. Next test. I'd set off, but there ain't no seat. How indestructible is the steering wheel? And just so you know, the reason this is wiggling so bad, it's rusted up to the point where the column piece broke. Alright, so we're not even going to try to smack on this thing anymore because obviously I can't bust the headlights. So we're going to start throwing things. I'm going to get a rock, throw it at the headlights, see if we can't ding it up some. Then we're going to use the sledgehammer. Let's get to it. Got a good sized little rock here. Let's see what kind of damage this thing's going to do to it. Alright, let's give this thing a shot. it'll buff out. I mean, it's normal to have a rock kind of fall from the sky. Alright, so at this point, my grandfather, as I call him, Pa, came around back. And originally I thought he just came back there just to ask me something. So I got a little bit annoyed. I said, come on, I was trying to make a video because I get interrupted sometimes. And then especially today, the drag strip was going and it was getting totally annoying. But anyway, little did I know what he was going to do, but I'm not going to tell you what he did. It's a little surprise. And my reaction afterwards was a real reaction. And yeah, but hope you all enjoy this little section of Pa came in. Hope you enjoy.
Hello, I'm the grandfather. This is a family section. Thank you.
Seriously? Now that I didn't see coming. Alright, so I'm not the only one that hates this thing. I wasn't expecting that. Well, I'll go throw the rock at the headlight. Let's see what that does. Let me adjust the camera a little bit more. Alright, I'll go throw the rock at the headlight. Let's just see what happens. Alright. Not gonna lie, that's pretty tough. Is it tougher than a sledgehammer though? Okay. It still didn't break it. Alright. See if this one will bust. Actually, let's try this one. Well, there's the light. No lens. That thing went somewhere. Alright, well, it's gone. Let's just have some fun. Ah, it's nothing. Hood won't stay closed. Have to fix that. Well, I think that's got it. Maybe not. Just make sure y'all can still see it. Alright, let's see what happens now. Well, doggone, I think I bent my hood up. Let me see if I can knock that little ding out. Oh, drat. I plumb broke it. Well, that side's down lower. Let's see if we can make this side match. Here goes nothing. It'd be good if it weren't for that little ding right there. Let's see if we can get that to knock down just a tad. Oh. The handle's upside down, so it's supposed to be facing up. Well, we got the handle here. Well, let's do a little bit more damage, shall we? Oh, that's normal. You know, I don't like the height of the fender. It needs to go down just a tad. Oh, drat, I think I put a dent in it. Well, let's see if we can buff that out. Oh, that's, well, that didn't fix it. Well, let's see here. How durable is the steering wheel? Well, does it still work? that hood don't look quite right. We can fix that. Well, you never know when a rock's gonna come flying through your hood. Well, that's getting in the way. Now, it held up to one rock. How's it gonna hold up to two rocks going through your hood? Pretty well. Let's try a third one. Well, I plumb missed the hood, but we hit on top of the gas tank, and it protected the gas tank. Now that hood is, well, it's still in one piece. That ain't right. Let's see if we can't just, remanufacture it a tad little bit. That looks a little nicer. Almost there. Well, folks, this mower now has a flathead V8. How's that? Let's make it a street ride. Just get rid of the top part of the hood. Oh, it's just that holding it on. You gotta be kidding me. But ain't no more. Well, there you go. Drop the engine in, put your dual exhaust, and you got you a fine looking hot rod right here. You say you don't want the grill, you just want a radiator? We can fix that. Well, it still opens and closes. You're right, it's not good enough. Let's try it this way. It's still on there. Not for long. Let's see. I'm not gonna lie. I'm surprised it's still on there. This is actually starting to shear the metal. And it's still on there. Well, let's see if we can't finish it off. Yep. Does it still work? Well, what do you know? With a little modification, it's right back to normal. Let's see here. Looks like brand new. And if you don't like the hood, you don't have to worry about it. And if you don't like that, well, unfortunately, we're stuck with that because we can't get that part to come off. Well, not with the outer plasma cutter, that is. Now, this is going to make somebody's lawnmower, as you can see, a very nice sunroof. Providing they want one. And if they don't, well, then just don't put the sunroof on it. Alrighty, folks. Well, we done beat the snot out the front end. And the steering wheel, to make it turn, you gotta twist it side to side. Yeah, this is more like, you could say, an airplane. Side to side, make it turn, and up and down, well, there is no up and down on the lawnmower. So, well, there is for your deck lift right here. But, yeah, there is no up and down to make the front end go up or the front end go back down. That's only on the V8 version. And unfortunately, this mower has no V8. Unfortunately, this mower has no engine. But yeah, let's go ahead and let's see how durable the body is. We've already got a nice little ding right there. Let's see how much more damage we can do. Now, you say you like the fenders closer to the tires. I can arrange that. Oh, not quite there yet. Couple more inches. Is that good for you? Oh, you want both sides? Not a problem. Oh, that one's going even quicker. Well, I'm just curious. How durable is this part here? You got a little safety switch there? Let you know when the seat's setting all the way down, so the mower will still run. I don't like safety switches, and quite frankly, it doesn't like me. So let's get rid of it. That safety switch will no longer know whether the seat is all the way down or there's nobody sitting on the mower. Quite frankly, the switch may never see the sun again because I can't even see the switch. But let's just test out our, well, you're kidding me. Your battery holder is plastic. Well, I already knew what the question was. How durable is your battery holder? Let's just give it a good little whack. Well, your battery's not very safe. That's unfortunate. I'm also not about to give up until I have successfully put this fender into that tire, as far as I'm concerned. So let's keep on whacking. Well, I think that fender's a little too close to the tire. What do you think? Oh, it's a little close. Well, we can't do anything to fix it now. So, yeah. So, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like. Thank you to all y'all that subscribed. Like I said, this is probably one of the dumbest videos ever made. I figured, got a free junk mower that ain't no good. Might as well take a sledgehammer to it and just see what happens. But, yep. See you next time on Jay's Hilltop Garage. And one more thing for the video's over, I forgot to ask in the video, or just erase that part, but anyway, so yeah, if you really like seeing this kind of content every once in a while, you know, it's not something I can do all the time just because, I would be more than happy to try and find some either real cheap or maybe even free riding mowers that, you know, maybe even run and do more videos like this, just seeing how indestructible a lawnmower is. But yeah, if you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below if you'd like to see more like this, what you thought of it, if you thought it was funny. But yeah, thanks to all y'all that watched, thanks to all y'all that subscribe, and I'll try to have another video out, hopefully this coming week or next week. But yep, thanks for watching, hope you enjoy, and again, comment down below if you'd like to see more videos like this off and on throughout my channel. Alright, thanks for watching.